You have to hold it.
No, I just.
Yay! It's almost over. Thank goodness it's almost over.
And what, you're recording
Just record it.
The first thing that comes to mind is just the drone of these damn pundits on television, just going on and on about every little bit of trivia. And God, I hope that's over today. It's not, but that's the sound that comes to my mind.
And then when you lose your job, you lose your house. Then foreclosure. It doesn't matter how much you put down payment, how much you pay every month, you lose everything and the bank take them house.
All right.
Both of them. Global peace. Make it happen.
Go ahead. Thank you. Wait, one more time. Go.
Do 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 do.